Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional DOP. You can download the complete list of AWS-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on AWS DOP is: describe the use case for AWS code pipeline artifacts. Your answer should be AWS code pipeline artifacts are intermediate files or directories produced during the build and deployment process. They are stored in Amazon S3 buckets and passed between pipeline stages, facilitating artifact sharing and deployment in CI/CD workflows. Our next interview question is: what is the role of AWS Resource Access Manager (RAM) in resource sharing across AWS accounts? Your answer should be AWS Resource Access Manager (RAM) allows you to share AWS resources such as Amazon S3 buckets, Amazon Aurora databases, and Amazon VPC subnets with other AWS accounts within the same organization. It simplifies resource sharing and management across multiple accounts. Our next interview question is: how does AWS Code Deploy handle traffic shifting during deployment? Your answer should be AWS Code Deploy supports traffic shifting during deployment using deployment configurations like linear, canary, and all at once. It gradually shifts traffic from the old version to the new version of the application, allowing you to monitor and validate the deployment before fully transitioning traffic. Our next interview question is: explain the role of AWS CloudTrail Insights in security analysis and anomaly detection. Your answer should be AWS CloudTrail Insights is a feature that helps detect unusual activity in your AWS accounts by analyzing CloudTrail log data. It uses machine learning algorithms to identify patterns and anomalies, providing insights into security threats and suspicious behavior for further investigation. Our next interview question is: what is AWS Elastic Beanstalk blue-green deployment and how does it work? Your answer should be AWS Elastic Beanstalk blue-green deployment is a deployment strategy that allows you to deploy a new version of application alongside the existing version. It provisions a separate environment that is green with the new version, performs validation and testing, and then swaps the environment URLs to redirect traffic from the old version that is blue to the new version green. Our next interview question is: describe the benefits of using AWS Systems Manager for patch management. Your answer should be AWS Systems Manager automates patch management for EC2 instances and on-premises servers, helping you maintain compliance and security-based practices. It provides centralized patch management, scheduling, compliance reporting, and automated remediation, reducing operational overhead and security risks. Our next interview question is: how do you implement centralized logging in AWS environments? Your answer should be centralized logging in AWS environments can be implemented using services like Amazon CloudWatch Logs, AWS CloudTrail, and AWS X-Ray. CloudWatch Logs aggregates log data from various sources, CloudTrail records API activity, and X-Ray provides distributed tracing for applications, enabling comprehensive logging and monitoring. If you are preparing for any AWS-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.